Hello and welcome to everybody to learning of the Vedic maths. I'm sure you are pretty much enjoying this course and you have also did the practice very well and you have also completed the previous videos. If you have not completed completely the previous video, I will highly recommend you just go through it so that you can have the clear idea about step-by-step instruction of learning Vedic maths through the step-by-steps. Now, today what we are going to see? Today we are going to see about the base method. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the base method. So what is the base method and why it is important for us? So base method is nothing but what exactly we are doing. So let's say if we want to multiply any number and if we are taking the base as a 10, so this is our base method with the base is 10. Let's say if we are taking the base is 100, so there are 2 zeros in the 100. If we are taking is the base is 1000, then there are 3 zeros in the 1000. So that is our base method. So what is the rule says? Rule says we have to do the cross addition or subtraction, whatever it applicable, whether it will be applicable addition or whether it will be applicable as a subtraction. So that we have to take care of our first part. Now what is the second part? We have to multiply vertically. So we have to multiply the vertically. In the introductory video, I have shown you these techniques just as a in overview, bird eye point of view, right? But now we are going to learn this technique in depth, very detailed in this video. Okay, so we will do. So this is our first thing. So our first number is 8 times 7. So what should be 8 times 7? So what we are doing? We are writing 8 at here. We are writing 7 at here. We will just write the name, draw the two lines. 8 is below by the 10 by how much? That is minus 2. We have to write with the sign minus 2. 7 is below by the 10 by the minus 3. Okay. So then after what we can do? We can just do the cross multiplication, cross addition or subtraction. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Or you can also do 7 minus 2, that is also 5. And then these two numbers will be multiplied. So 2 times 3, that is 6. So our final answer will be 56. Okay. So our final answer will be 56. So we will do the same thing at here, 9 by 7. So what we will do? We will use 9, 7, and then after 9 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 1. 7 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 3. So 9 minus 3, that is 6. If you do cross addition subtraction on this side, the answer will be also come the same. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Then after 3 into 1, that is 3. Okay, so our answer will be 63. Okay, our answer will be 63. Similarly, 9 times 8. Okay, so 9 times 8. So you have to write 9, 8. 9 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 1. 8 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 2. So 9 minus 2, that is 7. And minus 1 into minus 2, that is 2. So 9 times 8, that is 72. So 8 times 4, 8 is below by the, now here you have to see some more tricks. 8 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 2. And 4 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 6. So as you know, 8 minus 6, that is 2. But what about this? 2 into 6, that is 12. And our base is 10. Okay, our base is 10 because we have subtracted a number from the 10. So we have to write only one value. The next value we have to add to the carry forward. Okay, so our answer should be 2. So 2 you have to write, and then after this one power will be carried forward to this 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So our answer should be 32. Let me explain you again. Here 10 digit has a 1 0. So right side should be corrected and it should be of 2 as it is and 1 should be carried forward. So 2 as it is and 1 should be carried forward. Let me also explain you this thing by one more example. 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 8 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 2. 5 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 5. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. 5 minus 2, that is also 3, and 5 2s are 10. So 0 I will be right here, and here 3, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So my answer will be 40. Okay. Similarly, 7 6 are. So 7 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 3. 6 is below by the 10 by how much? Minus 4. So 3 4s are 12. So you have to write 2 at here, and 1 is the power, and then after 7 minus 4, that is 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So your answer should be 42. Okay, your answer should be 42. Now we will do one more example. 99 multiplied by 97. Here we are taking the base as a 100. So 100 as a 20. So each and every number should have a 2 digit. Okay. So 99 is below by the 100 by how much? Minus 1. Okay. And 97 is below by the 100 by how much? Minus 3. So 99 minus 3, that is 96, or 97 minus 1, that is also 96. But here we have to write in the 2 digit, 01 multiplied by 02. So here you can also write like this, 01 multiplied by 02, 01 multiplied by 03, that is 03. So your answer should be 9603. Your answer should be 9603. Similarly, 98 times 97. So 98 times 97, how it will become? So 98 is below by the 100 by how much? 2. 97 is below by the 100 by how much? 3. So 98 minus 3, that is 95, and 2 3s are 6. We have to write with the 2 digits, so 06 we have to write. So 9506, that is our answer. Similarly, that is we will see one more example, 96 times 94. Okay, so 96 times 94. So 94 we are writing as it is, and then after 96 is below by the 100 by how much? 4, and 94 is below by the 100 how much? 6. So here it is easy for us. 96 minus 6, that is 90, or 94 minus 4, that is 90, and 6 4s are 24. So here you don't have to add the power and anything, because you already getting the answer in 2 digit. So that is our answer, that is 9024. And I will be highly recommended you, whenever you are watching this video series, training series, you will take pen, pencil and paper along with you and write down, practice, do the practice along with the video, with play, pause, rewind, backward, forward, so that you can have the complete idea and make your own notes. And whatever the thing that you want to write on your words in your native language, you can also write it in your native language in your own words for your understanding, explanation. If you want to write in your notes, so that is also you can write it, so that you don't have to watch this video again, you can do the things similarly. Now 88 times 88. Okay, so 88 is below by the 100 by how much? 12. And then after again 88 is below by the 100 by how much? 12. So 88 minus 12, that is 76. Okay, and 12 was a 12 multiplied by 12, that is 144. So we will take 44 as a base, and 1 we have to add as a power. Okay, so 76 plus 1, that is 77. So we will use 7744. Okay, 7744. Then after 87 times 88. So 87 is below by the 100 by how much? 12. 88 is below by the 100 by how much? 13. So 87 minus 12, 13, that is 75, and 12 multiplied by 13, that is 156. So we will keep 56 as it is, and then after 1 we have to add to the power. So 75 plus 1, that is 76. Okay, if you are feeling that this is the explanation speed is little bit faster than your expectation, just pause the video, try to understand, because the technique is simple and technique is repeated. So that's why I'm going little bit faster in order to save the time. 78 times the 97. So 78 is below by the 100 by how much? 22. 97 is below by the 100 by how much? Minus 3. So you can do, now here it is a trick. 97 minus 22, it might difficult to you to give the answer in a 1 second. So what we can do, 78 minus 3, it is very easy to calculate. So here you have to see which one is the better for us, right? So 78 minus 3 is better. So 78 minus 3, that is 75, and 22 multiplied by 3, that is 56. So your answer should be 75 66. Here you can see we have 66, so it is 2 digits, so no need to correct it. Now 56 times 98, so 56 is below by the 100 by 44, 98 is below by the 100 by 2. So here you can say 56 minus 2 is easy, that is 54, rather than 98 minus 44. So 44 multiplied by 2, that is 88. So 88, we are already getting the answer in 2 digits, so no need to correct it. And 54, that is you have to write as it is, so 54 88. Okay. Similarly, 88 times 91, so 88 is below by the 100 by how much? 12, and 91 is below by the 100 by how much? 9. Okay, so here you can see 91 minus 12, it might be little bit difficult, but 88 minus 9, it is very easy, because 8 minus 9, so that is 18 minus 9, that is 9, that is 79. So that you can directly take it, and 12 9s are 108. So 08 we will keep as it is, and 1 power we have to add it. So 79 plus 1, that is 80. So 8008. Okay. Similarly, 25 times 98. So 25 is below by the 100 how much? That is 75. And 98 is below by the 100 by how much? 2. So here you can see 25 minus 2 is much more easy. That is 23 rather than 98 minus 75. And then after 75 multiplied by 2, that is 150. So here we have 3 digits, so we need to correct it. So 50 we are writing as it is, 1 power we are adding to the 23, that is 24. So 2450. Okay. Similarly, 999 into 997. So 999, here we have considered base is 1000, because here we have 3 digit, as you can see. Okay, so base is 1000, and here we have considered base is 1000. So now 999 multiplied by 999 is below by the 1000 by how much? 1, and 997 is below by the 1000 by how much? 3. But as base is 1000, so we have to write the number in 3 digits, so 001 and 003. So it won't be confusing you to add the zeros or to remove the zeros. So 1 into 3, that is 3, and 00 into 00, that we have to write 00 both at here, because we have to write the number in 3 digit. And then 999 minus 3, that is 996, or 997 minus 1, that is also 996. So our answer will be 996 and 003. Okay. Similarly, we will do 999 multiplied by 988. Okay. So 999 is below by the 1000 by how much? 1. 988 is below by the 1000 by how much? 12. So this one will be better for me. 988 minus 1, that is 987. And then after here you can see I have written in a 3 digit. So 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12, and one more 0 I have to add it. So my answer will be 987012. Okay, my answer will be 987012. 123 times 999. Here you can see base is 1000. Okay, so 123 is below by the 1000 by how much? That is 877. Now you might wondering how I am getting this 1000 minus 123, that is 877 within a fraction of second. So method of subtracting any number from the 10 or 1000 or 100 or 10,000 or 1 lakh or 10 lakh, that is what? All the number you have to subtract from 9, and last number you have to subtract from the 10. So here you can see 123. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then after remaining number you have to subtract from 9. 9 minus 2, that is also 7. And 9 minus 1, that is also 8. So my answer will be 877. Okay. So 877, this is my answer. So all the number you have to subtract from the 9 except the last number. Last number you have to subtract from the 10. So you can write all this description in your notebook so that you can have the clear idea. Okay. And I have made this handwritten notes in such a way that if you just refer this handwritten note and just see the video only one time, you don't have to come again to watch this video, because this handwritten notes and this explanation is pretty much clear to have the concepts. Now here you have the 4 digits. So here our base is 1000. Here our base is 10,000. Okay, and you have to subtract a number from the 10,000. So you know you have to subtract the number from the 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 876. How it will become? That is 4. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay, so mentally you can do this calculation. And then after 4 times 9 minus 10,000 minus 4 times 9, that is 1. So now here you can see we have to write the answer in 4 digit. So 8766 times 1, that is 8766. If you are getting 2 or 3 here, and if you have the 3 or 4 digit number, then you have to add those number to the power in this number. Okay, here we don't have to do that power form. So 1, 2, 3, 3, that is our first part of the answer, and 8766, that is our second part of the answer. Similarly, 598 times 998. So 598 is below by the 1000 by how much? 402. 998 is below by the 1000 by how much? 2. So here we have to write the answer in 3 digit. Okay, because we are subtracting from the 1000. So here 30. So our answer should be in 3 digit. So 804 and 99. Here you can see 998 minus 402. It will be difficult for me. So what I can do? 598 minus 2. So 596. So 596, 804. That is our answer. Okay. Here you can see what you can do. 10 minus 8, that is 2. Then after 9 minus 9, 0. 5 minus 9 minus 5, that is 4. Okay. So subtract 59 from the 9, because these are the first number and last number is 8. So that number you have to subtract from the 10. And what is our last? 999 times 999. So this is our last thing. So you have to subtract from the respective base. What is our base? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here our base is 1 lakh. So our answer should be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Okay. So that you have to keep in mind. So 21 times 1, that is 21, and your answer should be in 5 digit, and rest of the thing you have to do as per our standard techniques. So that's it in this from this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will see the base method, above the base and below the base. Till now what we have seen, all the numbers are below the numbers. Now let's say if I want to do 102 times 97. So here you can see one number is above the 100 and one number is below the 100. So at that time what you have to do, that technique we will see in the next video.